up, it's your boy Naphtaly aka Naph the Rapper, hashtag Black Essence. Welcome to Naphtaly's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make samosas, and with me are the ingredients. We have ajab flour, minced meat. Today I'll be using minced meat. We have the onions and coriander for the nutritional taste. And lastly, we have black pepper for those who like spicing things up a little bit. Let's get to it. So I went to the market and bought these ingredients. So guys, first of all, I'll put the flour into the basin as I've already done. As y'all can see, I already taught how to make dough in the previous videos, how to make Kenyan chapatis. I'll put the links down below. Y'all go and view it. Let me make my own dough now. So I've already made my dough, as you can see. I boiled my minced meat. Yeah, I think we're good to go. But y'all guys, make sure that your minced meat is soft and tender. I repeat, soft and tender. Next, I'm gonna peel my onions. So guys, first of all, I'm gonna rinse them again together with the knife. Now I'm gonna show you how I cut my onions. First of all, I start with an incision in the middle. After that, put them like this. Cut small pieces. Then I cut them like this. This allows me to cut small pieces of onions. As you can see. So I'm gonna put my onions here, just to clear space, make room. Here are my onions, nicely chopped. Next, I'm gonna wash my coriander. So first of all, I'm going to remove the stalks. This is the wanted part. Now we're going to chop our coriander. Nicely done. So I'm going to put my coriander in this container. So guys, once I'm done, I put each and every ingredient in its own container. Okay, I'm going to drain the water from my minced meat. Open my into the sink. All of it. Don't want it mixing with the oil. Vigorous reaction. So guys, you have to make sure that your minced meat is totally dry. Next, I'm going to take my cooking oil and fry it. From here, I pour my minced meat into the oil so that I can fry it. From here, you add the onions into the frying pan. And here we go, I'm done. Next on, I'm gonna take my coriander and sprinkle it on the minced meat. I added a little bit of black pepper for the spicy taste. Next on, mix the mixture so that it can integrate properly. After that, I sprinkle a little bit of flour on my rolling area so that I can roll my dough. Okay guys, what I'm trying to do is make the dough as thin as possible, so this point is not necessary. Y'all can roll the dough to whichever size you want, but trust me, you want a thin dough, not a thick one. So I finally managed to roll a thin one. Next on, you gotta take your knife and cut long strips. Make sure they're long. The reason for long thin strips is to make the samosas more shape-like and more edible. So I'd advise you roll a thin dough. Next on, we're gonna put the dough into the pan and heat it for some few seconds. After heating them for some few seconds, we remove them from the pan. Remember, we just want to heat them, not cook them. Time to make the paste, so we pour some flour into the container and pour water. Just keep adding water until it turns into a sticky paste. Next on, you're going to take your slightly cooked dough and fold it as I'm showing you. Just to form a pocket. In that pocket, you put on the minced meat as I'm showing you. Yeah, nice in there. Then fold it again. I'm gonna use the dough paste as some form of glue so that to stick the dough together. Make sure there are no holes in your samosa, otherwise you won't like it. Put it in the pan and start cooking. Anyways guys, this is what I've prepared. As you can see, they're brown and crispy, just as you like it. This is the minced meat that is left over. I'll show you how to use it in a while. And this is the initial product. Yeah, so let's get to it. So guys, I'm done, and this is my end product. As you can see, delicious. And for the leftover minced meat, let me show you what I'll do with it. As you can see, just right here. So for my viewers, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe. Also guys, I recently opened an Instagram account only for fashion. Y'all can follow me there. I'm gonna put my link down below. And also check out these. These are cuffings. I also sell them. They come in with a box. As y'all can see, y'all can DM me if you want. Oh, like, y'all can DM me if you want. I'll sell it to you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And also, if you have any dish that you'd like me to make, you can either DM or comment down below. I'll make it for you. Anyways, peace out. See you in my next video.